And here we have the clue to solve the mural puzzle. The black wishes to take, white bird wishes to resist, and the fox, along with his followers, is in triumph, meaning he's happy. He doesn't notice the other bird, so that means he's not looking. So we're gonna first get the fox mask and notice the fox smiling and with his followers walking, very happy, not looking. And right now we're doing the hard puzzle and on hard mode. And now we're gonna look for a fox taking something. And the fox that's taking that little lantern from the other fox, we're gonna put the Black Sparrow on that particular fox. The Black Sparrow is trying to take from the white bird, and then that's where the white bird is, trying to resist. And that's how you solve the mural on hard puzzle.